Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you how to enable the red error squiggles inside your VS Code to actually tells you that if the source code contains some kind of error, something like this. If your VS Code doesn't have this feature, if these red error swiggle lines are not showing here, you can do couple of things here. First of all, make sure that you install this extension, which is C++, which offers this. First of all, you need to have this extension installed, which is developed by Microsoft. It's a verified extension, 84 million downloads. So just make sure that you install this and enable this extension. And secondly, if you are not seeing this, simply type the shortcut key on your keyboard, Control Shift P, and simply type enable error squiggles in this. Just search for this and this will come right here, and simply enter this, select this, enable error squiggles, and now these red error squiggles will definitely come. And this is valid for every language. Here you can see it's also valid for JavaScript language as well, PHP language as well. This is your C++ language as well. So it's valid for all the languages. When you make any sort of mistake right here, this red error message will go away whenever you fix that error message. As you can see, we are fixing it by putting this semicolon, and in JavaScript here you need to put something right here. So whenever you make any sort of mistake, these error message red error squiggle lines will come. So if I fix it, first of all install that extension and just simply search enable error squiggles. Just select this option and your error squiggle red error message will come right here. So in this easy way you can do this. Please hit that like button, subscribe the channel, and also check out my website Free Media Tools, which contains unlimited number of tools regarding audio, video and image.